Let me answer one of the most direct questions people ask before beginning the Artificial Intelligence Longevity Protocol.
What exactly do I receive for the $397 investment?
And underneath that question is usually another question. Is it actually worth it? That is a fair question, because you should understand exactly what you are investing in before you make a decision. You should know what is included. You should know what happens after you enroll. You should know what the protocol is designed to do. And you should also understand what it does not promise. So let me walk you through the complete process clearly. The first thing I need you to understand is this. You are not paying $397 for a piece of hair to be tested. You are not paying $397 for a downloadable report. You are not paying $397 for an online course filled with information you could have searched for yourself. And you are not paying $397 for a random list of supplements. You are entering a guided, personalized longevity process. The laboratory analysis is one component. It is not the entire protocol. The value comes from how the different pieces are collected, organized, examined, explained, and connected to your next steps. Let us begin with the first component, the AI Longevity Mastery Academy application. After you enroll and schedule your longevity collection session, you are directed to complete your AI Longevity Mastery Academy application. This is not a basic form that simply asks for your name, age, and medications. The application helps us begin organizing your complete story.
It asks about areas such as your symptoms, your energy, your sleep, your stress patterns, your cravings, your digestion, your recovery, your lifestyle habits, your environmental exposures, your health history,
your medications, your supplements, and the changes you have noticed over time. Why does that matter?
Because your laboratory information does not exist separately from your life. A number on a report does not tell us how you have been sleeping. It does not tell us when your fatigue began. It does not tell us whether you crash after eating.
It does not tell us how much caffeine you use. It does not tell us what has changed in your environment. It does not tell us what symptoms you have been quietly dismissing. Your application gives us the context that a laboratory report alone cannot provide. It also gives you priority in our system once your results are ready. That is why we ask you to complete it immediately.
The first value of the protocol is organization. Before anyone can help you examine a pattern, the information has to be collected and organized. If you're serious about actually getting answers instead of guessing, put step 1 in the comments. The second component is your private longevity collection session. Immediately after making your investment, you are directed to schedule your private collection session on Zoom. Your AI Longevity Protocol Collection Kit is mailed to you by UPS or FedEx. You should expect it to arrive within approximately 5 business days. Inside your AI Longevity Protocol folder, you receive your laboratory requisition form, your hair specimen collection instructions, the materials required for the collection, and a prepaid return envelope with the postage already included. During your private Zoom session, our team allows up to 1 hour to personally guide you through the process. We help you complete the laboratory paperwork, review the collection instructions, collect the hair specimen properly, prepare the specimen for shipment, and place everything into the prepaid envelope so it can be mailed to the laboratory that same day. Why is that important? Because precision matters. A process can be delayed when paperwork is incomplete.
It can be delayed when a specimen is collected incorrectly. It can be delayed when someone does not understand the instructions.
You are not simply mailed a box and left alone to figure everything out. You receive direct guidance so the collection can be completed correctly the first time. That personal guidance is part of what you are investing in. If you like the idea of being guided instead of left to figure it out alone, put step 2 in the comments. The third component is the AI Longevity Biosignal Hair Analysis.
Your hair specimen is sent to the laboratory for processing. Once the laboratory receives it, processing takes approximately 4 working days.
The analysis provides measured laboratory findings related to the elements included in that testing process. And it should not be interpreted by itself. The laboratory findings are one part of a larger investigation. The value is not simply receiving numbers. The value comes from placing those findings beside your symptoms, your health history, your sleep, your stress, your nutrition, your lifestyle, your medications and supplements, Your environmental information. The finding is not the final answer. The finding helps us ask better questions. If you're starting to realize this is very different from just getting a test, click the like button so more people see this. That leads to the fourth component, artificial intelligence-assisted pattern organization. Artificial intelligence is used to help organize complexity. It does not replace a physician. It does not diagnose your condition.
And it does not magically look at one result and determine everything happening inside your body.
Its role is to help us bring together multiple pieces of information more efficiently. Because most people are carrying disconnected information. They may have years of laboratory reports, several symptoms, a medication list, a cabinet full of supplements, poor sleep, changes in energy, changing weight, digestive concerns, chronic stress, environmental exposures, and conflicting advice from multiple sources. The problem is not always that they have no information. The problem is that nobody has helped them organize it into a clearer picture. Artificial intelligence helps support that organizational process. It helps us examine relationships and identify patterns that may deserve discussion. That is different from self-diagnosing through an internet search. It is different from typing one symptom into a search engine. And choosing the first condition that appears. And it is different from buying a supplement because an influencer said. Everyone with fatigue needs the same product. Your body is one connected system. Sleep may affect energy. Stress may affect appetite. Appetite may affect food choices.
Food choices may affect blood sugar patterns. Digestion may influence how nutrients are used. Environmental factors may deserve consideration.
One symptom may overlap with several different systems. Artificial intelligence helps us organize those pieces, but the interpretation still requires context, experience, responsibility, and clear limitations. If you're tired of trying to piece this together on your own, put "Phi Clarity" in the comments. The fifth component is the most important part of the protocol, the 2-hour longevity root cause review. Once your laboratory results are ready, our team personally contacts you by text to schedule your private longevity root cause review on Zoom. This session is 2 hours. This is not a quick 15-minute phone call. This is not an automated email explaining your results. And it is not a report that you are expected to interpret alone. This is where everything begins to come together. During the review, we examine your completed AI Longevity Mastery Academy application, your symptoms, your health history, your laboratory findings, your energy patterns, your sleep, your stress, your cravings, your digestion, your lifestyle, your environmental exposures, and the possible 14 hidden root causes of disease that may deserve discussion within our framework. The purpose is not to diagnose you with all 14 categories. The purpose is not to frighten you, and the purpose is not to force every symptom into one explanation. The purpose is to help you understand the possible patterns that may deserve attention. During the review, we explain the information in clear language. We discuss what appeared in the laboratory findings, which findings may deserve closer attention, how the findings may or may not overlap with your reported symptoms. And the purpose is not to force every symptom into one explanation. The purpose is to help you understand the possible patterns that may deserve attention. During the review, we explain the information in clear language. We discuss what appeared in the laboratory findings, which findings may deserve closer attention, how the findings may or may not overlap with your reported symptoms. What do these results mean for me? What the information may suggest, and which lifestyle, nutritional, environmental, or wellness areas may become priorities. Responsible interpretation includes understanding both the possibilities and the limitations. That is why the review matters. A number without context can create confusion. A symptom without context can create fear. The review is designed to give you a clearer and more organized conversation. If you want that level of clarity about your own body, put S-Step 5 in the comments. The sixth component is your personalized natural action plan. Your personalized natural action plan. Before your review is over, you receive a natural wellness-focused action plan organized around the information discussed during your session. We want you to understand what should come first, what may deserve immediate attention. What can you begin changing now? If you're ready for a real plan instead of guessing, Put PLAN in the comments. Am I paying $397 for a test? No. The real question is, what is the value of having my information collected, organized, analyzed, reviewed, explained, and turned into a clearer starting plan? Because that is what the complete process is designed to provide.
Yeah.
Now, let us talk honestly about the investment. Some people hear $397 and immediately compare it to the price of a supplement, but the protocol is not a supplement. Some compare it to a doctor's copay, but this is not a routine medical appointment. Some compare it to a laboratory test they found online, but this is not simply an online test. And some compare it to information they believe they can find for free. There is more health information available for free today than at any other time in history. But people are not necessarily less confused. They have access to videos, podcasts, search engines, social media, books, apps,
Supplement companies, diet plans, and thousands of opinions.
Yet many people still do not understand what applies to them. The value is not merely receiving more information. The value is having relevant information organized into a guided conversation.
Yeah.
Information without interpretation can create overwhelm.
Information without context can create fear. Information without priorities can lead to random action.
And information without implementation often changes nothing. The protocol is designed to move you from scattered information toward a clearer starting point. Now, I am not going to tell you that $397 is a small amount of money for every person. People have different responsibilities, different resources, different financial situations, and you should make decisions responsibly. But I will ask you to compare the investment to the cost of continuing to guess. How much have you already spent on supplements you stopped using? How much have you spent on cleanses, challenges, diets, meal plans, memberships, devices, powders, online programs, and products that were recommended without understanding your complete story? How much time have you spent researching symptoms?
How many hours have you spent listening to conflicting advice? How many times have you started over?
And after all of that effort, how much clarity do you actually have? Guesswork has a cost. It costs money, it costs time, it costs energy, it costs confidence. And sometimes it causes people to delay questions that should have been discussed with an appropriate healthcare professional.
The Artificial Intelligence Longevity Protocol is designed to interrupt that cycle. It does not promise perfection. It does not promise to diagnose every concern.
It does not promise that one review will resolve every health issue. And it does not replace the work you still have to do. The value of the protocol is in creating greater organization, greater awareness, better questions, clearer priorities, and a more informed starting point. Now let us answer the question directly. Is the Artificial Intelligence Longevity Protocol worth $397? The answer depends on what you value. If you only want a piece of paper with laboratory numbers, then you may not value the complete process. If you want someone to promise a miracle or diagnose every concern through one hair specimen, this is not that. If you want a shortcut that requires no participation, no application, no collection session, no review, and no action afterward, this is not that either. But if you value a structured process, personal guidance, laboratory information, a complete application, artificial intelligence-assisted organization, dedicated time to examine your patterns, a 2-hour private review, a personalized natural action plan, responsible limitations, and clearer questions about your health, then the value becomes much easier to understand. You are not purchasing a promise that everything will change overnight. You are investing in the opportunity to stop guessing and begin examining the complete picture more intelligently. And after years of random diets, supplements, trends, and disconnected information, that level of clarity may be exactly what has been missing. But I also need to say this. The protocol only creates value when you complete it. If you invest but never schedule your collection session, the process cannot move forward. If you do not complete the application, we do not receive the complete story. If you do not attend the collection session, the specimen may not be collected and mailed properly. If you do not attend the longevity root cause review, the information never comes together.
And if you receive the action plan but never implement anything, information alone will not create transformation.
It works if you work it. Your participation matters. Your follow-through matters. Your willingness to ask better questions matters. And your willingness to act on the information matters. So before you enroll, ask yourself, am I serious about completing the process? Am I ready to complete the application immediately? Am I willing to attend the collection session? Am I willing to mail the specimen that day? Am I willing to attend the 2-hour review? Am I willing to hear what the information may suggest and what it may not prove? And am I willing to take action once I receive my priorities? Because this protocol is designed for people who are serious, not simply curious. It is designed for people who understand that their health deserves attention before crisis forces the conversation. It is designed for people who are tired of collecting information they never use. And it is designed for people who want a clearer and more personalized starting point. How much longer are you willing to move from one disconnected solution to another? How much longer will you dismiss the signals your body has been sending? And what may another year of confusion cost you in time, energy, confidence, and momentum? The purpose is not to pressure you. The purpose is to help you make an informed decision. You now know what is included. You know what the process requires.
Yeah.
You understand the limitations. And you understand that the protocol is not simply a test. It is a guided framework designed to help you organize your health information, examine possible patterns, and receive a clearer, natural, wellness-focused starting plan. So let us review what the $397 investment includes one final time.
Your AI Longevity Mastery Academy application.
Your mailed collection kit and AI longevity protocol folder. Your private Zoom collection session. Your laboratory paperwork and collection guidance. Your prepaid return envelope and postage. Your AI longevity biosignal hair analysis. Laboratory processing. Artificial intelligence assisted organization. Your private 2-hour longevity root cause review. A clear explanation of the findings and their limitations. A discussion of possible root cause patterns that may deserve attention.
Your personalized natural action plan, step-by-step emails and text message guidance.
And the AI Longevity Insight series when it is included with your enrollment. You are not simply buying a test. You are entering a guided process. The test provides information. The application provides your story. Artificial intelligence helps organize the pieces. The review helps you understand the pattern. And the action plan helps you determine what to do next. That is what the $397 represents. If you are tired of paying for random products without understanding the pattern,
If you are tired of collecting information that never becomes a plan, if you are tired of being told to simply eat less, exercise more, and keep waiting,
and if you are ready to begin a more organized conversation about your health, click the link pinned in the comments and begin the Artificial Intelligence Longevity Protocol. Complete your investment. Schedule your longevity collection session.
Complete your AI Longevity Mastery Academy application immediately.
Watch for your collection kit. Complete the process. Attend your review. Receive your personalized natural action plan, and then do the work. Because your health is a necessity, not a luxury. New information equals a new transformation, but only when you use it. Stop asking whether another random product is worth the money. Start asking what continued confusion is already costing you. Click the link pinned in the comments. Begin the AI Longevity Protocol. Stop paying for guesswork. Start investing in clarity.
Reserve your seat now.